The affiliate products getting the most attention on ClickBank aren't always the one you would expect. Just like you wouldn't expect that August, not July, not June, is the hottest freaking month of the year. I mean, who would have ever known? Well, I would, because my birthday is in August. So, wish me happy birthday. And if you don't know who I am to wish me a happy birthday, my name is Michael. I am an affiliate manager here at ClickBank, and I've been here forever, locked in this room trying to get out. And if there's anything I know, it's A, you should look below and click on the link and get a free account to start promoting offers on ClickBank. And the second one is I know I've narrowed down 5 offers you affiliates should have on your radar. These are offers in active, high-interest niches with actual sales from fellow affiliates, so you know they'll convert. And you know, because I know, because I work closely with our top sellers and affiliates every day. So get a front row seat, boys and girls and women and children and anyone who's getting a ClickBank account. And let's get rolling to the top 5 offers on August that are hotter than this hot month. So let's get moving. Number 5, we got Soulmate Sketch. And it's a top performer in the spirituality and manifestation space on ClickBank for, a long time, a long-standing digital product. If you go back to our first top offers video, you might even see something from Soulmate Sketch. And that's a deep pull because I can prove I've been here for this long. So how's it doing right now? Has an EPC of $1.13, an average payout value of $72.59, and a hot conversion rate of 1.67%. I mean, it's amazing, and it addresses one of life's biggest goals. Is there somebody who loves me out there? Oh, sorry, that was just me. But it does address the question, does somebody love me out there? And it does this by generating a sketch of the customer's soulmate, and that's just a front-end offer. As an affiliate, you'll love the upsell flow on this one. Their funnel has been optimized for cold traffic with more than $900,000 in spend straight from the seller. In a nutshell, this means you can expect an excellent average payout north of $70 per sale, and that's amazing for a digital offer. It's got broad targeting on paid traffic with all genders, ages 35 plus, proven to perform well, friends. And it features direct tracking, so you can easily track your winning ads. This sounds interesting to you, and you are out there just trying to find the right offer for you. Well, hey, Soulmate Sketch will bring it to you. Now, digital products are great, but we also have some great supplements in the fast-growing health sub-niche. So, once again, in top 5, we got Audifort. And if you're looking for a high-converting supplement offer that's riding high on the marketplace right now, well, you might want to put a listening ear to this one and help people be able to hear, because this listening offer is doing amazing. It's got an EPC of 82 cents, an average payout value of $170.20, and a hot conversion rate of 0.51%. And this one is an in-demand hearing solution with strong customer demand and impressive engagement. Audifort delivers an impressive earnings per click of more than 80 cents, boosting your affiliate revenue to new heights. And by hopping on board, you can take advantage of a generous 65% rev share and a range of ready-made creatives, including top-notch banners, email swipes, and of course, Audifort's seller has also provided multiple landing pages tailored to different angles so you can enter the funnel from different ways and make sure your creatives work. And it will resonate with your audience and drive the highest conversions possible. So with a proven track record, high commission rates, and of course, all the promotional tools you'll need, this one is one of the best offers out there right now, and you can check them out in the ClickBank marketplace, so get moving. No, don't get moving. Stay safe. There's more. But after this. So, if any of these offers sound interesting to you, don't forget to grab your free ClickBank account. The thing that I told you before. You should go right here. It is free for you and only you, because I care about you. So get your free account. Go promote, and see you over there. Now, switching gears from the hearing space, let's see what our number 3 offer is this August, and it's NeuroVera. NeuroVera is a new quality brain health supplement in a booming market. And, just check it out. EPC, $1.01, an average payout value, $177.67, and a hot conversion rate of 0.63%. It's a natural formula based on 9 powerful ingredients that are combined to help support memory and overall brain health. And I know that because I have brain. As a NeuroVera affiliate, you can hit the ground running with ready-made email swipes from a top copywriter and a dedicated affiliate support team ready to help you out and hit volume. This unique supplement stands out from competing offers because of a robust, highly optimized funnel backed by over 100,000 split tests, and it's engineered for maximum conversions. Media buyers, affiliates across Facebook, Media buyers and affiliates across Facebook, native, YouTube, TikTok, and email have already seen huge success, and the funnel is expertly built for a wide range of niche audiences from health to personal development and so on. So best of all, this product resonates with both men and women in a broad demographic range, which is important because that is going to lower those CPMs and help you make money on your paid campaigns. And this is your chance to stand behind a fresh, in-demand supplement and watch your commissions grow and to get moving. And speaking of amazing supplements, I've got a ClickBank Classic for you next. And that ClickBank Classic, of course, is ProDentim. What, you think we were going to get away without ProDentim? Everyone has teeth, man. Everyone. Turns out they do. We sent our leading scientists on this, and they came back to us and said, yep, teeth. So if you haven't heard, this is a breakthrough dental health product that hooks customers with a truly unique angle, a probiotic candy that melts in your mouth and supports a healthy microbiome, well, you know, helping the teeth out. So let's put some current stats up here. We got an EPC of $1.29, an average payout value of $165.88, and a hot conversion rate of 0.84%. So as you can see, ProDentim is doing great, and it targets teeth and gums in a new way, giving customers fresh breath, stronger teeth, and rejuvenated gums. And it does so by converting. It is a great offer because ProDentim is endorsed by a highly reputable doctor and crafted by the same copywriter behind top-selling dental offers in the past. You can expect a high-converting sales page that truly speaks to your audience. And even after years of us hitting the marketplace, it's still doing numbers. So go promote it. It's working on all channels. What are you waiting for? Oh, you're waiting for the other ones. You're waiting for the other offers. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, duh. Well, here we go. Our number one offer is Femicore. Like in recent months, Femicore tops the charts as a high-performing supplement offer in the fast-growing women's health niche. And let's just check out the stats for this reigning champion. It's got an EPC of $2.01, an average payout value of $226.23, and a hot conversion rate of 0.89%. And Femicore's breakthrough formula helps repopulate the urinary microbiome, tackling the root cause of incontinence by targeting bad bacteria and bolstering good bacteria. Backed by a well-known doctor with a massive social media following, this product packs credibility and trust, both key ingredients for maximum conversions. And as an affiliate with Femicore, you can earn some serious profits. The product features proven funnels developed by top-tier copywriters, so you'll benefit from high EPCs, like I said, averaging more than $2, and get amazing commission bumps when you send consistent volume. Multiple upsells and add-ons boost the average order values here, meaning more money in your pocket for every sale you generate. And Femicore is also designed to convert well across popular traffic channels, email, native, Facebook, YouTube. So you have plenty of ways to scale. And keep in mind that Femicore does require approval. That means you gotta mind your P's and Q's, everybody. And if you got the chops and the audience for it, well, this supplement is primed to become your next top earner. So go connect with the seller, apply to get approved, and start promoting today. Woo! That's a group of top offers right there. There's something for every affiliate. But if you're still thirsty for more, yeah, I can see it in your eyes. You want one more? You want one more? Should we give you one more? I'll give you one more. Bonus! We got Water Freedom System. In these turbulent times, there's a life-changing water solution designed to help thousands of households survive looming mega drought conditions. And it is the Water Freedom System. And here are the stats for this bonus offer. It's got an EPC of 88 cents, an average payout value of $53.53, and a hot conversion rate of 1.9%. I mean, woo! The Water Freedom System centers on a breakthrough water farmer method that extracts clean, fresh water from seemingly thin air using portable condensation technology. But I'm not telling you anything you don't know. You know this because you've got to be promoting it because it's a good offer, right? Right. Go. Promote it, because as an affiliate, you'll love the provided high-converting email swipes that highlight NASA's predictions about water scarcity and the simple steps anyone can take to protect their family. Now, by promoting the system, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a massive demand for self-sufficient living solutions, aka the survival market. Plus, you'll earn a generous commission per sale of $50 with the option of a CPA. So, go, get promoting. It's a great offer. All right, so that has been our top 5 offers for August of 2026, and we're really just cruising into the second half of the year. And as the expression goes, as time flies, so do crows. Oh, as time flies when you're making affiliate sales on ClickBank or something like that. Go make some sales. Yeah, I'm not a shaman. You don't need, oh my gosh. That was, sorry, I had this here, and it was an Amber Alert. I apologize. So go, promote them. They're amazing. What are you still standing for? Create your free account. Click on the link below. Create your account. Get promoting. Go to the marketplace. Go. Come on.